Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana. And today we're going to show you how to fix KDSS lean on a 200 series Land Cruiser. This can happen for a multitude of reasons, but the most common reason is a technician or an installer loosens the KDSS valves to install the springs, and then they forget to retighten the valves before they set the unit back on the ground, causing it to be unlevel. Today, our technician Jonathan is going to show you how to fix that. Please don't forget to read the captions on some of the screens because it's going to give you some additional detailed information on how to fix it. Thanks for watching. If you like the channel, please hit thumbs up and subscribe. What you're looking at is a Land Cruiser that is clearly unlevel. Today, we're going to show you how to fix that.
40 inches on the right side. 38 3/4 on the left. Okay, driver's side, frame rail, rear of the vehicle is going to be your relief valves. It's 2 8mm screws right here, or they could be a Allen. We're going to loosen these up, not all the way, just a few half turns. That's plenty right there. And then lower the vehicle back down. So the side of the vehicle that is leaning, in this case is the left side, lower than the right side. We want to set our rack on that side of the vehicle. We're only going to set the rack on one side and slightly lift it, and the other side is not going to lift. It's actually going to lean the other opposite direction. So again, the right side's higher than the left side. We're going to take this part of the lift out from the right side. We want to put all the weight on the right side, so our lift's going to lift up the left side. Only want to go up 1/2 inch to start. Lower it down, or tighten our valves, lower it down, measure, and see where we're at. Let's go ahead and lift it slightly. And we want to close our valves off. So we're at 40 here. So we're a little bit too much on this side. So we just do the opposite and go up 1/4 inch versus an inch. Helps to have two people. You do it by yourself, but it's nice to have a second person there to kind of maneuver things around. Open up our valves. Because this side's now too high, we want all the weight over here. But we're only going to go up this time 1/4 inch. That should be plenty. Probably get us right closer where we need to be. Back off, lower the lift. We're sitting at about 39 1/4. 39 1/2. That is going to settle out. That's acceptable, having only 1/4 inch difference. As you drive down the road, you'll level off quite a bit.
And there you have it. If you guys have any questions, please drop it in the comments below. Please hit thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future Land Cruiser content.